Team TD CNC are in Coventry today at the home of NCMT for the Push Stock campaign, and I'm joined by Mark. Now, Mark, I'm familiar with the Makino machines for cutting metal, but I'm not so familiar with the Makino EDMs, the U6 Heat. Firstly, Mark, I want to put you on the spot. What's HEAT stand for?
Yeah, that's high energy applied technology. So effectively, these machines are made to a very high standard. This machine effectively has 0.25 wire, but they have an extreme machine that uses 0.4 wire, which is the world's fastest machine.
Wow. Now, EDM, you know, it's a bit of a black art to a certain degree, but it lends itself to so many applications. Can you give me an indication, firstly, of the machine's capability?
Yeah, well, these are built to last. You know, minimal operator intervention to a certain extent. You know, you can leave these running effectively. You've got hyper eye control, which is a little bit like a doctor. You know, if you don't really understand what you're doing, you can actually connect to this, and it will show you exactly what you're doing. And you can get 1,500 kilograms on this machine. Also, because it's a casting, it's very rigid. It's a very accurate machine indeed, and when you look at the Makino brand, you know that you're buying the best kit in the marketplace.
Now, Mark, how does it complement NCMT's business?
Well, like most things, you can't always machine, as you well know, a component on a machine tool. But these are a very cost-effective way, whether it's sync or whether it's wire, like the U6. But really, you know, these machines complement what NCMT offer in the UK.
So, Mark, you've certainly whet people's appetite. Now, with this machine, you can buy for under £109,000, as NCMT are trying to help the industry get back on their feet. So contact NCMT for more information.